So today I'm going to be doing a review and kind of demonstration. We're just going to be testing this baby out. This is the Project E Beauty. They recently reached out to me and asked me if I would like to try out their brush, and I thought, you know what, why not give it a go? I have acne prone skin. Luckily at the moment my skin is good. This is specifically made for acne prone skin. So it's called the Luma Blue Acne Light Therapy Cleansing Brush. It is FDA cleared and it's basically for mild to moderate acne. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like open it up and show you guys what comes in. So on the back here, it does tell you what all this is about. So I'm just gonna kind of give you all the details first. Luma Blue uses LED lights to deliver concentrated beams of 415 to 430 nm blue wavelengths. Blue pulse light therapy is intended to treat mild to moderate acne. Blue light results can improve the appearance of acne prone skin. And I actually have, like when I've had a facial before, they have used blue light on me. So it's like what you do when you go get a facial and they use all the specific lights. You now have it at home. Luma Blue Light device is used to treat mild to moderate acne. Do you see the acne in the photos below? If you have mild to moderate acne like these, you may use this device. So it tells you right here, there's like little pictures of like what your acne looks like. So if you have no acne, is Luma Blue Light for you? No, you shouldn't use it. And then it has comedonal acne. This says whiteheads, blackheads, which are small, raised white or black bumps under the skin. No, that's not for you either. Then it says mild acne. So several inflamed pimples, red in color. Yes. So think like when you're breaking out around your period and you have like some little like, you know, red bumps, that's gonna work. Moderate acne is many inflamed pimples, red in color, and pustules, visible accumulation of pus in skin. Yes, that's for you. But if you have like severe, like full on, like covering your whole entire face, apparently it is not for you. You should consult your dermatologist. It says inflamed pimples and pustules, visible accumulation pus in skin with several deep nodular lesions, solid mass of skin like a notch can be raised or felt under the skin, many nodular cystic lesions with scarring. So apparently that's not gonna work. It's definitely something that I could use because when I break out, it's literally like I have scars right now from when I went to Tahoe, but it's usually just right here, and like occasionally I get one around here, one around here. That will work for me because it's just kind of like a random like red zit. It tells you how to use the actual brush right here on the back. So the first thing that you're gonna do is prepare your skin. So you're gonna cleanse your skin to remove makeup or creams that may contain reflective materials. We recommend a facial wash that is mild and does not leave a residue. Second step is to prepare your Luma Blue. Clean the surface of your device that comes into contact with your skin with alcohol each time you use it. So you wanna make sure that it's like sanitized. Number 3, eyewear protection. Please note the light is bright. It is recommended to close your eye on the side of your face you are treating. If you prefer, use the protective eyewear to prevent light from entering your eyes. These are provided for your comfort. And then number 4, it says treat your skin. Press the power button once. For added safety, the treatment light is designed to not emit bright light until it makes contact with your skin. Place the device on the skin directly over each affected area to be treated for 3 minutes twice per day. The light will shut off, indicating the end of the treatment cycle. The device is ready for the next application. Most users will see a decrease in the number of blemishes in 1 week. And then number 5, after treatment, apply your favorite skincare products, as your skin now has the ability to absorb products better. This is what the actual device looks like. So it's really pretty. It's white and rose gold. You have a little cap that covers your brush. So it's actually like a brush, and then the light is behind it. So as you're like, you know, scrubbing it, you've got your blue light coming through. So you can just pop that, lid back on. Then you've got an on-off button, and then I'm assuming that's the blue light. Ooh, it is. Oh, the dog just started. Oh, I see a hummingbird. It's all going on right. Oh, there's 2 hummingbirds out here. Holy moly. I need to change their water. So here's the blue light. It is super bright. And then, oh, this actually spins the brush. Wow. Oh, there's so much. She's scared. What's going on?
What's wrong?
She's just so nervous.
What's wrong?
She just rolls over and puts her tummy out.
Don't be sad.
Oh, there's 2. There's 2. Okay, so she was like, oh, crapper.
Oh my gosh.
There was hummingbirds. It was.
That was crazy.
Poor baby.
I'll put it on my face.
Oh, she eats poop.
Oh, does she?
Yeah, you just got it in your mouth.
Takes one to know one.
How does it feel? Is it soft?
Oh, that's lovely.
Is it? And then look, it has a blue light. You don't need it because you're perfect, but close your eyes. It's not, oh, that's bright.
Oh, put it on me.
No,
What
you
will
don't
it
need
do?
it.
What does it do?
It's supposed to help with acne. You don't have
Put it
any
like
acne.
right there and see if it does anything for me later.
No, I'm doing it. There's
Alright.
there's two lights. It's like one's dimmer, one's brighter, and then you could turn it off. And then this has 2 speeds. So that's what the actual brush looks like. I love the fact that it already comes charged. Everything just came falling out of this box here. You have your little charger station, which looks like this. You can just plug it in. So basically, well, what were you scared of, donkey? Oh, it goes this way. So it sits like this in your thing. Then you get your little plug, and it does actually come with 2 different attachments for different plugs. So whether you're in, like, I know that this one is the UK, and is this, I don't know what this one is for. Maybe it's Europe, or I'm not sure, but I know that that one's the UK. So it does come with other attachments, which is kind of handy. You have an extra little brush that it comes with, and then you've got your little goggles. So I have no nails at the moment, so I don't think I can actually open this. Yeah, I cannot. My nails are like so weak at the moment, but it comes with these little goggles that you can wear to protect your eyes if that's what you want to do. But it did say you could close your eyes, but if you just want to be extra safe, you could put your goggles on. So basically, I'm going to go ahead and just charge this up. Well, it looks like it's already charged. Maybe I should just like use it until it dies, and then I can keep it in my bathroom. So it's not something that you can like never use. You can use this daily. Oh gosh, because you can use the brush. Just don't use the blue light, because you won't need the blue light therapy unless you need it. So it's kind of nice that you can just like, you know, use it every day to like actually cleanse your face. Or you can just use it on the days that you need to if you have a breakout, if it's that time of the month. Sorry, this cord is like all... What is that noise? Oh, it's this. Someone chewing under the bed? You never get too old for acne, do you? I mean, I've never seen an 80-year-old with acne though, so maybe you do get to a point where you are too old for acne, but like, I swore when I was a teenager, I was like, oh, once I'm in my 20s, I will not have acne. This is just a thing, it's a phase. Here I am, 35, still breaking out occasionally. So, you know, it's one of those things that it just keeps on going. And apparently I've heard that if you don't even have acne, when you go through menopause, you will break out sometimes. Like your hormones go all crazy and you will still break out when you're in your 40s or 50s because of menopause. So rude. So basically, like, I'm gonna be breaking out for the next like probably 20 years, which is lovely. But yeah, luckily it's much better than it was. I mean, you guys have seen my skin before. It used to be horrendous and I was so sad, and it made me just like so down about myself. And like there were, like when I was in high school, there were days where I would skip school. I would not go to school because my breakouts were so bad that I physically was like, I cannot take this. It is pulsing. I would have to pop it. It was just like so painful that I was like, I'm not going to school. Like I'm like literally oozing out of my face. Nothing, it wouldn't stop. And I was like, I can't do this. Like this is so embarrassing. There's just no way I'm gonna go to school like this. So acne has like ruined my life since I was like 13. So when you finally do get it under control, it is so amazing to just be able to like not wear makeup and be like, oh, I'm fine. Or like just put your makeup on and not see a bunch of bumps. It's just so nice. So yes, I am super excited to try this out, and it's cool that you have like the blue light in the convenience of your own home. You don't have to go and pay a ton of money for facials. Facials are expensive, and this, you know, it's just a one-time fee. So you buy the thing and then you always have that blue light. You see I have like 2. Is that a mole? No, that's a mole. I'm sorry. I have 1 right there. That's a scar. That's a mole. I don't know what that is. Is that a mole? I can't tell. They're popping up everywhere nowadays. I don't think I have any on that side. So I have basically just this 1 right here. And then, oh, I have 1 right there. I've got 2 I can test it on. Okay, so here is the little charger that you can just leave plugged in. And when you plug it in, oops, it will turn blue, if you guys can see that. And then when you take it off, it instantly turns off. So basically, I've tried it both ways. I've tried putting the soap on first, and I've tried putting the soap directly on the brush. But you just take off the top, and then you've got your little brush exposed. And I have been using this for the past, I'd probably say about a week or so. And this is actually really, really nice to use. So I'm just gonna press it on, and it has the 2 speeds. So usually I start off, and actually usually I get it wet first. So I'll just get it wet. And then it really like lathers up the soap super well. And again, you can put the soap directly on your brush or on your face. But you can see how it's lathering up really well now. Hopefully I'm focused. So now that you can see that, you can push it up one more speed, and then this is where you can put on your light. So obviously I'm just going to close my eyes because I don't have the goggles right now. I find that the goggles are just kind of like in the way, so I just close my eyes, but it does come with goggles if you want to. It does say that you can just close your eyes on the side of the face that you're on, or you can use your goggles, so it's kind of your preference. Ooh, I had a burn. I burned my face with a curling iron. My scalp has just come off, and that was a little raw. But basically you just go around, and I actually haven't had any breakouts at all since I've been using this. Not that my skin breaks out a whole lot anymore anyway, but you know, occasionally you'll get like a little one here and there. And I haven't had any new ones pop up at all, so that's been good. But it's really relaxing. The brush is really soft. It rotates really well. It kind of gives a good lather. And what I noticed is that when you're all finished using it, your skin feels and looks so glowy and clean. Like it just looks like you have no debris, no like clogged anything. It just looks so smooth and like glowy, like you've just had a facial. You know how like when you go get a facial and your skin just looks like so like sucked out of anything like blackheads or anything, it's just like so clean. That's kind of what this looks like when you're done. You just want to make sure that you kind of give your brush a little massage. And then because it's so humid here and things can mold really, really easily, I don't put the cap on right away. There are venting holes in there, but I'm just too nervous that it's gonna get moldy. Everything molds here. So I just leave the cap off, and then I just put it right back on its little holder to dry. And then once I come in like later on in the afternoon, then I'll put the lid back on. I just wanna be safe, just because like literally you leave anything out and it molds here. And then I basically just grab a flannel. It really does get all of the extra makeup off. Ow, that burn. It's so raw. Oh, that really hurt. But anyway, yeah, it really does take off like all of the extra makeup that you didn't even know that you had on there. It's so good. Oh god, that burn is like so sore. It's super raw. Do you guys see it right there? And then, you know what I found is like super weird, and it's probably not gonna make no sense to anyone. I have a hair in my mouth. I don't like to dry my face with a towel. I don't know why, but I feel like if you just let the air just absorb the water, or you know, just like, I just kind of give it a waft, your skin looks glowier. I don't know if anyone's ever tried that, but it really does. Like if you don't go and touch the towel to your face, just kind of let it waft off, you'll get this like sheen to your skin. Like it looks so like glowy. So that's what I always do. And I really like it, plus it feels really nice as well. Like if you had a little mini portable fan, you could do that too. But do you guys see this now? See how it gives you like a sheen to your skin? I just feel like it doesn't do that much when you do a towel. Do you see what I mean? How you kind of have that little like glow without like even putting anything on yet. So that is like with nothing on. I have no serums, no anything. And it just looks like extra clean, and then I just go ahead and follow with all of my serums and everything. So yeah, basically it just makes your skin really clean, super glowy. I have noticed since I've been using it, I've had way less clogged pores on my nose. It looks way less congested, which is super duper nice. Wires are a bit of a nuisance, so you can kind of like see it peeking, but I just kind of hide it behind that plant. But like it looks really cute on your countertop. It's nice. The rose gold and the white looks pretty. It looks really clean and crisp. So I really like it. I've been loving using it in the mornings. My skin feels so unbelievably soft. So there you guys go. There's my review of the brush. I really do think it's a very nice brush. I think that the bristles are super soft. It actually does a good job. Like my skin Well, you guys saw my skin, I think, last couple weeks ago or 3 weeks. I don't know when I came back from Tahoe, but my whole neck was broken out, like really, really bad. And I haven't had anything popping up. So it's back to being nice and clear. Mine is just like scarring. But I do feel like if you do suffer from acne, then definitely give it a go. I just feel like that blue light really does help kind of calm them down and stop the new ones from popping up. So it's just, acne is such a struggle, and I know that like it can really ruin your self-confidence. Like it had definitely ruined mine for many years. And so if there's something that you can find that is just easy to do, that you can kind of help combat them, then winning. So there is my review of the Project E Beauty Luma Blue Acne Light Therapy Cleansing Brush. Aha, I did it. Do you guys know how many times it's taken me to be able to do that? That's a long word. But I hope you guys found that helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I will link it down below so you guys can check it out. And I'll see you guys in my next video.